At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a wholesale business can be a lucrative venture if done correctly. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the market demand for the products you want to wholesale. Identify your target audience and competitors. Research pricing, distribution channels, and potential challenges. 2. Choose your niche. Decide on the specific products you want to wholesale. Consider factors such as demand, profitability, and your own interests and expertise. 3. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, pricing strategy, sales and marketing approach, financial projections, and operational details. 4. Legal structure and registration. Choose a legal structure for your business, e.g., sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, and register your business with the appropriate government authorities. Obtain any necessary licenses or permits. 5. Supplier selection. Find reliable suppliers for your chosen products. Look for suppliers who offer quality products at competitive prices, have a good reputation, and can provide consistent inventory. 6. Negotiate terms. Negotiate pricing, payment terms, minimum order quantities, and other terms with your suppliers. Build strong relationships with your suppliers to ensure smooth operations. 7. Set up operations. Establish a system for managing inventory, orders, and fulfillment. Consider whether you'll need warehouse space or if you'll dropship products directly from your suppliers. 8. Create a sales strategy. Develop a sales strategy to reach potential customers. This may include building a website, attending trade shows, networking with retailers, or using online marketplaces. 9. Marketing and branding. Develop a brand identity and marketing materials to promote your wholesale business. Utilize digital marketing tactics such as social media, email marketing, and content marketing to attract customers. 10. Legal and financial considerations. Ensure that you have proper contracts in place with your suppliers and customers. Keep detailed financial records and manage cash flow effectively. Consider working with an accountant or financial advisor to help with tax planning and financial management. 11. Launch and scale. Once everything is in place, launch your wholesale business and start acquiring customers. Monitor your performance closely and be prepared to make adjustments as needed. As your business grows, consider expanding your product offerings or entering new markets. Starting a wholesale business requires careful planning, research, and execution, but with the right strategy and dedication, it can be a rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.